So what exactly is given to us in this case? Let it is given to us, we do not know XYZ is representing which currency, whether it is down dollar, pound or euro. It is not given to us here. But if you see the first question, we can solve immediately the reason behind it. Because if you see in first question, they're asking a person bought dollars of 3,60,000 on Monday, and he exchanged them in Indian rupees on Tuesday, right? And got converted immediately into pound. It's a basic question. Why is it basic question here? Because there is a no need you should look for which one is pound and which one is dollar or which one is euro. There is no need. And why there is a no need to look into this? Because if you see growth from Monday to Tuesday, right? Whether you took you see currency X here, Monday to Tuesday growth 40 will become 50, and 80 will become 100, and 20 will become 25 is exactly same in terms of percentage, right? If 40 will become 50, right? 40 will become 50, we can immediately see the 25% growth is there, as well as 80 will become 100, again 25% is growth, and 20 will become 25, we can say again 25% growth is there. So this comes out to be 25% growth. So these scenarios are there. So it does not matter whether you are spending here or spending here or spending here. In terms of percentage increase, all of them will remain same. So what exactly he has done, he has taken a 3,60,000 amount, and he invested in a one particular currency, and he converted back into INR on Tuesday. So if he is investing 3,60,000, ultimately this currency will get increased by 25%. So which will become, if 3,60,000 is getting increased by, right, if it is getting increased by 25%, it will become 4,50,000. Right? So new comes out to be 4,50,000. So currency, any currency from Monday to Tuesday is getting increased by 25%, whether X, Y or Z. It doesn't matter. So if I'm investing 3,60,000 in any currency on Monday, our INR will get converted, will get 4,50,000 on Tuesday. Right? This we can understand from here, the basic thing. Now what exactly they are saying? This 4,50,000, right? This 4,50,000 we got on Tuesday. So Tuesday, how much amount we are having? Tuesday we are having 4,50,000 amount. Either we divide by 50 because we do not know which one is pound, or we divide by 100, or we divide by 25. So it is not given to us which one is pound. So if we divide by 25, it comes out to be 18,000, right? If you divide by 25, it comes out to be 18,000. So if you are in a hurry, you will pick answer option A, because answer option A is not 18,000. Answer option A is given to us 1800. This is not possible answer. Similarly, if you divide by 100, it comes out to be 4 lakhs. It comes out to be 4,500, which is also not given to us in answer option. And finally, if you divide by 50, it comes out to be 9,000, and 9,000 is given to us in answer option. So right answer for the question number 1 will be 9,000. And so what exactly I have done, because this question is easy, that's why, because we should not worry about here which one is representing pound and which one is representing dollar. We are not worried about here. If anything is representing, ultimately that amount will get increased by 25%. And when we will invest 3,60,000, and when 3,60,000 will get increased by 25%, it will become 4,50,000. Now when we got 4,50,000, now we supposed to know if I am converting this into pound, right? We have to convert into pound, which is possible we can get. So pound can be, this can be divided by either 50 or 100 or 25, depend upon the values. So if we divide by 50 here, it comes out to be 9,000. which exactly we are looking for. So right answer for the given question is 9,000, which is answer option B for Bangalore. So I hope you understood how you supposed to approach these questions. Right? So first question, right answer is answer option B for Bangalore, which is 9,000. Now I was expecting at least question number 1 you will definitely solve. So confusion will be here if you are trying to find out in the beginning itself which one is pound and which one is euro and which one is dollar. It will take huge amount of time and you cannot find out exactly, and they do not want you should find out. They want exactly whether you are able to figure out answer options or not. That's our objective. Similarly, question 2 can be slightly time consuming. The reason behind it, because in question 2 they are asking a transaction is defined, they're investing 22,000 on Monday, and after 4 transactions they want maximum possible amount can be earned, right? That's exactly they want. So what is exactly given to us in question number 2? 22,000 will get invested on Monday, and on Friday when they will take amount out after 4 transactions, then difference between this and the amount which we earn on Friday, it has to be maximum. Exactly they are looking for maximum in terms of this has to be more than 22,000, right? So if you are looking for only one transaction here, if you look for only one transaction, then you can immediately see, or 2 transactions, right? You can immediately see only one number is increasing when 40 will become 60. If you see other numbers, 80 will remain 80 and 20 will decrease and it will become 15. So in all these scenarios you can see if there are only 2 transactions involved, then we have to invest on Monday in currency X and we have to take it out on Friday. But they are not saying about only two transactions. They are saying about 4 transactions. For the meaning of 4 transaction, when INR, right, INR you are converting into some currency X, and then X you are converting back to INR. This comes out to be 2 transactions. So these are 2 transactions, right? And like this, how many transactions can be done? 4 transactions can be done. If question is based upon only 2 transactions, then immediately we can pick currency X will give maximum output if I'm putting on Monday and taking out on Friday. But because 4 transactions are involved, then how will you be approaching this question? So if you see here in this basic scenario, when you invest in a currency Y, when 80 will become, right, when this 80 will become 120 and 20 will become 30, the same increase in terms of percentage. And if you see these two numbers, 80 will become 120 and 20 will become 30, the increase of 50% immediately you can say in both the cases. So whether you are investing in currency Y or in currency Z, ultimately on Wednesday you will be getting 50% increase in your currency. And then you should not invest. You should not invest on Wednesday. Why you should not invest on Wednesday? Because Wednesday to Thursday you can see all of them are decreasing. So you should not invest on Wednesday itself. So here what exactly we have done, we have figure out, right? Here we can immediately say either in the beginning we have to invest in this particular cases, either in currency X or in currency Y, we will get 50% increase. And after that, if you see last 2 scenarios, in last 2 scenarios only currency X will increase, and then we supposed to invest on Thursday in currency X and take it out on Friday. So what exactly we are doing here, first INR we supposed to invest, right, first INR we supposed to invest either in Y or in Z, and on Wednesday, right, this we have done, but on Wednesday this Y or Z we have to convert into INR. And why we are converting? Because we cannot invest on Wednesday. If I'm investing on Wednesday, our amount will reduce on Thursday. So convert back to INR and put into INR itself. But on this Thursday, this INR you should again put into currency X. And on Friday, you can take this currency X into INR. And you can see these are the 4 transactions they're talking about to increase this number. So why I told it is slightly complex, because figuring it out is difficult task. Okay, how you can use these 4 transactions to get maximum possible output. That's only figuring it out will take time. Otherwise, this question is very easy. So what exactly we supposed to do? 22,000 we supposed to invest either in currency X or in currency Y. So how will you be doing this? I'll show it to you. So on Monday, right? On Monday, right? On Monday, this 22,000, at 22,000, I will either convert into currency Y or currency Z. And on Wednesday, this currency Y or currency Z, I will convert back to INR. And we know from Monday to, right, from Monday to Wednesday, there's an increase of 50% if I convert this currency into either Y or into X, right? Now when you get increase of 50%, so this will become 33,000. And on Wednesday I will not invest. Wednesday I will not be investing, because from Wednesday to Thursday all the amounts are decreasing. All the amounts are decreasing, so I will not invest on Wednesday. And now on Thursday, right, on Thursday, this 33,000 I will convert back to X, right, X. And you can see 50 to 60, the increase of 20%, right? 50 to 60, if you see, there is an increase of 60%. Sorry, there is an increase of 1 by 5, which is 20%. So from Thursday to Friday, there is an increase of 20%. Now, when on Friday, this X I will convert into INR, then we know this X will get increased by 20%, and it will become 39,600. Right? This will become 39,600. So you can see the first transaction we have done, converting INR to either Y or Z. Second transaction we have done while converting YX into INR, and then on Wednesday to Thursday I'm not investing. Then on Thursday I will again convert INR into X, and finally I converted X into INR. So we have done 4 transactions. So 4 transactions we have done. We invested in the beginning 22,000, and finally we got 39,600, right? So finally how much amount we have earned? You can immediately say 39,600 minus 22,000, which comes out to 17,600, right? So right answer for the given question is equal to 17,600, I think, which is answer option C. So right answer comes out to be answer option C for California. So I hope you understood what exactly I have done here. So here the question was slightly complex to figure out where you supposed to invest and get the maximum possible amount with 4 transactions. So in the beginning we can invest in X and Y. In the beginning we can invest in X and Y, and finally we can invest in X and get the maximum possible amount. So maximum possible amount which we can earn, it comes out to be 17,600. So answer for question number 1 is B for Bangalore. Question number 2 is C for California. Now let's look at question number 3. Question number 4 is easiest possible question. Question number 1 and question number 4 you should attempt in first round itself. Right? These two questions has to be first round question. Question number 1 and question number 4. Question number 2, 3 to figure out will take a slightly extra time to understand the question as well as to solve this question also. So look at question number 3. What is given to us? In question number 3, ratio between pound and euro is given to us. Any other given day. We do not know where it is. But ratio between pound and euro, it is given to us 4:1. This is fixed. Right? And then they have given 4 and 5 answer options, and we have to decide accordingly which answer option is right and which is not right. So if you see a ratio between pound and euro is given to us 4:3, then you can figure it out. Out of these given numbers, which one is given to us a ratio in terms of 4:1 in terms of pound and euro? So if you see this is pound, right? If you see this is pound, then I will say this is euro. Because if you see on Monday, ratio of 4:1 you will get between these two numbers only, pound and euro. So again this comes out to be pound and euro, right? And again also this comes out to be pound and euro. But on Thursday, if you see, at Thursday there is no ratio which is giving us 4:1. So 4:1 definitely we will not get on Thursday. But Friday, if you see, pound and euro, this is the ratio which is given to us. So when you see these ratios on different days, then what you can fix from there, you can fix you can fix euro definitely. This Z is representing euro because everywhere euro is fixed. So Z is representing your euro. This is anyway fixed here. Pound I cannot fix. Pound can be either X or Y, is depend upon, I do not know. But euro is definitely fixed. It is given to us currency Z is equal to euro. Now look at the answer option. If you see first answer option, pound to euro is given to us 0.5. Pound to euro can never be 0.5. Pound to euro, they are saying in the answer option A itself, pound to euro is given to us 0.5, which is not possible at all. Right? Pound to euro 0.5 is not possible. So right answer for this question comes out to be answer option A. Because we have to look for except, which one is not possible. So pound to euro ratio 0.5 is never ever possible in any condition. So it comes out to be answer option A for Ahmedabad is the right answer of this question. So what exactly we have fixed? With the use of this figure, we have fixed this euro is actually fixed here. Euro is given to us, currency this. And when you got to know euro, then you can see in all the whatever numbers are given to us here. Right? All the number, if you see euro here, there is a minimum possible number in that particular column. So it ratio whenever you will take, it is always more than 1. Ratio can never be less than 1. So because euro is a minimum possible number in each column, that's why it is always more than 1. So only one answer option is given to us, which is given to us less than 1. You can immediately pick that answer option is definitely not possible. Pound to euro. Euro to pound is possible. You cannot say answer option D is also wrong because that's also less than 1. Because the other way around. Answer option D is given to us ratio between euro to pound. Euro to pound is definitely possible because pound is more than euro. So bigger denominator will come. And if you see last question of this particular caselet, in last question they are saying a person converting a 10,000 currency into Y on Monday and converting back to INR on Tuesday. Right? So 10,000 is invested in Y and converted back to on Tuesday. The profit which he will be making. So again he will put profit, right, from this transaction converted into X on Wednesday and converted back to INR into Friday. So they are looking for amount which he will have on Friday. Basic question. What exactly question is 4 is talking about? If you see question 4, which anyway you can do it now, is easy question. First, he's investing. He's investing 10,000. Right? So 10,000 he is investing into X. Sorry, 10,000 he is investing into Y on Monday. This is fixed. It is given to us. He's investing on Monday, and on Tuesday he is taking it out. Right? On Tuesday he will take it out. So on Tuesday he will take it out. That means this Y will get converted into INR. And then he's not investing on Tuesday. He's investing on Wednesday into currency X. So currency X he will invest on Wednesday. So whatever amount he will earn, this INR he will convert into X. And on Friday, this X will get converted into INR. This exactly given to us. So you can immediately see from here to here, because Y is fixed here. When Y is fixed here, from here to here, the increase of 25%. Right? This number from here to here will get increased by 25%. That means this 10,000 will also get increased by 25%. So when this number is getting increased by 25%, that means this 10,000, right? 10,000 will increase. So it will become 125, this number, because this number is getting increased by 25%. So this number will become 12,500. So what exactly they are saying? They are not investing 12,500. They are investing whatever amount they have earned, right? You can see the profit which he is making from this transaction converted into X on Wednesday. So how much profit he has made from here? 2,500. So he got profit of 2,500, and 2,500 he will invest on, right? If you see 2,500 he will invest on currency X on Wednesday, right? He will invest in currency X on Wednesday. Now they are taking out on Friday. So if they're taking out on Friday, what's the increase? 1 by 11 increase is there, or I can say 9.09% increase will come. Right here, 9.09% increase will come. So when this 2,500, right, when 2,500 will get increased by 9.09. So finally what exactly is happening? This number is getting increased by 9.09. So when number is getting increased by 9.09, we can immediately say we have to, this number will become 2,725. 2,725. So new number we got it. It comes out to be 2,725. And why is it so? Because from here to here there is an increase of 25%, and from here to here there is an increase of 1 by 11, which is 9.09%. So by the end, how much amount he'll be having? 10,000 plus 2,725, which comes out to be 12,725, which is answer option D for Delhi. So right answer for this question comes out to be answer option D for Delhi. So I hope you understood how will you be approaching this particular case. It's a good case there. It is slightly time consuming, but question number 2 is actually more time consuming rather than question number 1, 3 and 4. But I hope you understood these the case states. So let's move further and look at some other better case states also. So right answers, I will tell you. Right answers for this question is, for question number 1, answer option B is right. For question number 2, answer option C is right. For question number 3, answer option A is right. And for question number 4, answer option D is right. These are the right answers of this question. So I hope you're not having any doubt in this particular case set. So let's move further and look at next case set also. So try out this particular case set number 2, and take close to 6 to 7 minutes. Good case set. So this is given to us 20. So this whole circle is given to us 20 here. And now if you read statement A again, further it is given to us this 20 is what, right? If you see, this 20 is given to us 50 percentage of people who are having experience in DI. So this 20 is equal to 50 percentage of data interpretation. So if you go back and see data interpretation in this section, so if I'm taking 50 percentage of data interpretation, it comes out to be 20 here. So data interpretation becomes 40. So this is given to us 40. Why? Because this is 20 and this is representing 20 percentage of this whole section, which is data interpretation. So data interpretation comes out to be 40 here. Now when data interpretation becomes 40, and we know these two numbers are independent with each other, and total number of professors are 80, that means remaining 40 will fall in the category of quant. So 40 are given to us in the category of quant, and 40 are given to in the category of data interpretation. And out of that, 20 are having good academic record, which will fall in this particular category. Now if you move further and see other informations, so if you see other information, it is given to us no information B. No professor having experience in quant had both the features. That means being from good college as well as having good academic record. So what exactly they are talking about? If you talk about quant here, the professors who are having experience in quant, so they're talking about this particular box. They're talking about this particular box. So if professors will fall in this particular box, they are not having both the features. The meaning of this, they are not having from a good college and having good academic record. No one is like that. That means this particular section comes out to be 0. Yeah. So this number is given to us 0 in this particular part. So let's move further and read another information. It is given to us 30 professors were B. So we know 30 professors are B. So this category comes out to be 30 or B. And out of 80, if 30 of them are B, then remaining has to be MBA. So 50 comes out to be MBA. Right? 30 of them are B, then that means remaining 50 has to be MBA. And now they are saying out of 30 professors who are B, 15 have experience in quant. So the professors who has a BE degree, out of that they are saying 15 are having experience in quant. That means this particular box is given to us, right? So this particular box is representing 15. This whole box is representing 15. So this I can put here. This is representing 50, right? Out of 30, this is given to us 15 here. Now we know this total box, this total box is given to us 30. Out of this 30, if 15 is represented by this particular box, then remaining 15 will be represented by second box. So this also comes out to be 15. Similarly, if you see quant here only, this particular box, the whole box represents 40 here, right? This is representing 40. If this is representing 40 and out of 40, 15 has come here, that means 25 is left out. It means 25 will come in this particular portion. Now you can see out of this box is representing 40. When this is given to us 40 here, right? When this is given to us 40, then we can immediately say this is 15, this box. That means remaining is comes out to be 25 is remaining, which comes out to be only in DI and MBA. So this particular box is comes out to be 25 here. This is also 25. So half of the case rates we have already done. So now you can try out questions also, but move further and read all the information, and you can fix the remaining data itself. Now if you see remaining data of the professors having experience in DI, 15 were from reputed college and they have good academic record. So they are saying 15 of them from reputed college and they are having good academic record. Right? So see what exactly they are saying here. Of the professors who are having experience in DI, so they're talking about DI here. So this DI, 15 are from reputed college and having good academic record. So if you see here what exactly they are saying, they are talking about this particular section, which is DI, which is given to us, right? This is DI, and in this DI they are saying people who are having good academic record as well as they are from good college. We can say only these two are given to us like that. So indirectly they have given to us x plus y is equal to 15. This is given to us. X plus y is equal to 15. Right? From good college as well as they are having good academic record. So x plus y is equal to 15. Now look at the last information of the caselet. Last information, they are saying 45 professors are having good academic record. So what exactly they are saying? Good academic record 45. That means this plus this plus this and plus this comes out to be 45. So these summation is equal to 45 because they are having good academic record. So this plus this plus this and plus this comes out to be 45 here. So good academic record is equal to 45. But if you read information further, they are saying 2/3 were MBA. That means 2/3 of 45 comes out to be 30. 30 of them are MBA. That means this particular portion, or not, in better way we can say these two summation is equal to 30, which is given to us. These two summation, these two circles, MBA and good academic record, these two is given to us 2/3 of 45, which comes out to be 30. Out of 30, 20 has come here. How much is remaining? 10 is left out. That means 10 will go to this particular circle. And when we talk about this particular circle, we know we are talking about this whole circle here, right? So we know inside this it is given to us 0. That means 10, rather than writing here, we can immediately say this 10 we can write here itself. So 10 comes out to be good academic record. Now look at the information further. 1/3 having experience in quant. So 1/3 of them are having experience in quant. So 1/3 of 45 comes out to be 15. So 15 of them are having experience in quant. That means summation of these two circles, this plus this is given to us 15. So out of 15, 10 has already come there. How much is left out? 5 is left out. That means 5 will come in this circle. And again we can say because this intersection is given to us 0, that's the meaning of this 5 will be at this particular portion. Now we have done almost. This is given to us 20. This is given to us 10. This is given to us 5. Total comes out to be 35. And this 4 circle summation has to be 45. How much is left out? 10 is left out. That means 10 will be represented by this particular circle. Now if you see, so all the information is done, but we can fill this table immediately. This whole box is how much? Is 25 written here. Out of 25 we know 10 is this circle. That means 15 has to be this particular circle. And again we can say this is 25 and this 20 is this circle. That means remaining 5 has to be this particular circle. And again this is 15, so 5 is here this circle. That means 10 has to be this particular circle, and finally we can say 5 has to be this particular circle, and your caselet is almost over. Now you cannot find out for what is this particular numbers. You cannot find out whatever informations are given to us. So you, if they want these numbers or they want value of x and y, then definitely they will give you these questions. In question they will give you some additional information, so you are able to find out these two values here. So in terms of questions, I think you can try out now questions that you can try out yourself. I'm not wasting your time while trying questions because now it's completely over. So how many of the professors with experience quant are MBA? So quant as well as MBA. Total of quant and DI. A total of quant and DI should be equal to 8. Like quant plus DI is equal to 8. You can see here. And there is no intersection between quant and DI. So DI is here and quant is here, which comes out to be 40. So they are saying professors with experience in quant, MBA, and good academic record. So quant MBA, how many professors with experience in quant are MBAs and also have good academic record? Quant MBA and good academic record. So quant MBA, we are talking about only this particular box, and good academic record 10. So right answer comes out to be 10. So other answers you can anyway find out. These are the 4 questions, and you need extra information only for question number 18, because in question number 18 they have given us some extra information, and through that we can decide the value of these two. So questions you can try out. Questions are easy, but whole task was how will you be filling this particular case later. And that's what the whole my point, to show you how can you approach these kind of the questions here. So I hope you understood this particular case set very well. That's your objective should be like this only.